What's up, guys? Well, not a very interesting upload, but I recently just decided to get rid of the cable portion of my Charter cable just because I don't really watch it that much, and it's like $123 for basic cable, and that's just ridiculous. So I decided to try out that DirecTV Go thing, and they were having a deal where you get a free 4K Apple TV, so here's my... Pretty much what they do is they charge you in advance. So they charged me for 4 months of this DirecTV Now, plus 5 times 4. So it was like $252 or $250 or something like that. But you pay that and then you get this. Interesting. This one seems to have its own fan. My other Apple TV does not. Though I hear this actually has a pretty beastly processor, the A10X in it. So that alone is worth the upgrade. And the only thing different about this seems to be is they put a little ring around. Let's see, what do we got under here? Okay, so that's... Okay. So there's the cable. And then under here is probably stickers and what do you call it, all the lame stuff. So let's get started, and then charging cable for your remote. Okay, so there's the Apple TV, and then there's their remote. But all right, let's go get this hooked up and see what we got. All right, well, we got it plugged in and updating at the moment, but I mean, it's not really that much different than the old one. Where'd my old one go? Let me see if I can just grab it. Wow. Yep, that's the old one. Nothing wrong with it, but this other one has an A10X. This other one's basically this is an iPad Pro inside of a little plastic case. That other one is basically an iPhone 6 inside of a plastic case. That's the best way to think of these Apple TVs. And then here's the difference between the remotes. Like I said, there's literally like none besides the little white circle around there. So there's that. Alright, well, whenever that's done, we'll go take a look at the home screen, although it probably looks exactly the same, just like every other Apple TV. But just for fun, go see if anything else is different. Well, basically the exact same screen as before, home screen wise, but I will say everything does feel a little smoother and snappier now. I felt like sometimes every once in a while the old Apple TV would lag with some of these like transitions through some of the little things. Well, alright. That was just, like I said, just a quick little silly video. I got a new toy. I like making new videos whenever I get any new electronic, just because I like technology. But so far what I can tell you is this thing is super quiet. I mean, I can't hear it at all over my window fan, but I even turned that off for a second and tried to listen, and I still could barely hear anything. I had to shove my ear up to hear that fan, so if anybody's worried about that fan being too loud, it's not, because if it wasn't going to get super loud while it was updating, that's probably about some of the most intense action an Apple TV is going to get, besides maybe if you played some games. But other than that, that's about it for this video, so I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully, soon here I'll be able to get some more ultra-wide videos out. I've just been a little busy recently. But anyway, till the next video, peace out, guys.